Hello, this is me, Ali. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. So let's get started with the question I have today, and the question is, "Hello, Google Ads expert." So thank you. Okay, so what's your opinion on the ad trend? Does it really matter? I see one of my partner claiming that while maintaining good ad strength, he got lower CPC, but with pinned headlines and poor ad strength, the CPC was higher. Does it make sense to you? Thanks in advance. I really appreciate your thoughts on it. So, you are very kind in asking the question. So, I appreciate you for the selection of words you are using. Okay, so now your question is, does ad strength concern? Okay, for those who don't know, let me show you first of all what the ad strength is. For instance, while you are this in your ad, channel, you can see that whenever you create a new ad, let's say if I'm going to create a search ad now because this is an agency account, so let's say we are going with this, just giving you or okay, okay, in this, let's say I'm going to select one of the ad group, and whenever I try to create a new ad, it's going to show me the my ad strength, how powerful my ad is according to the Google algorithm. I'm going to show you over here as well that what's being shown. So this is what we call as an ad strength. Okay, while it gets loaded over here, let me refresh it as well for quicker load. So while it gets loaded over here, you know okay, so let's say if I see this is another account, and if I move on to campaign, and if I move to the ad over here, okay, sorry for it's taking too long. Okay, does it really matter now? Question: yes, it does matter. Okay, it does matter. Why it matters? Because ad strength means that Google thinks that this ad is going to get more clicks. Whenever your ad gets more clicks, it increases the CTR and quality score. Okay, quality score has several key factors, but one of the very important key factor is maintaining a high CTR, which helps in reducing your CPC naturally. So if you are concerned regarding reducing your CPC naturally, what you guys have to do is to work with your ad strength. Now because I'm now creating a new ad over here, and I will show you over here as well the ad strength. But yes, it does matter. Now the question of with pin headlines and poor ad strength, the CPC was higher. Does it make sense? Okay, it does make and it does not make as well. Okay, why you are pinning headlines when you are not sure that these headlines are going to work well? Okay, what happens is, first of all, whenever I try to create a new ad, you know you can see over here that this is my ad strength. Over here you can see the ad strength. It's showing the ad had more headlines, it has more popular words in your headline. Make your headlines more unique, make your description unique. They are giving me few ideas through which I can make my ad strength more. But what happens is, you know they Google by default gives me 15 headlines, and Google try to use different variations of headlines to see which one is working well for you. Once you figure out which one is going to generate well, you can pin it through this one. Like, I just want this ad to be headline to be shown in the only position 1 2 3. This is called pinning. Okay, now the question is, pin headlines does not necessarily make sure that you will CPC will higher. In fact, pin headlines are here to help you in reducing your CPC, because you are getting that this headline is working well for me on the top position, so I'm going to pin it, and this will help me in getting more clicks, more sales, more conversion. So my query will be this. So this makes sense to me. So poor ad strength definitely increases your cost, but pin headline doesn't necessarily mean uh, if increases your cost only. Yeah, you have to use it wisely, but in case if you are doing a random pinning headlines, you may eventually waste up money on those clicks. People might not convert because Google automatically suggested me 15 headlines. I What happens normally, people, is that they simply select yes or no. We do not use 15 headlines, we use few, but we just use a combination to see which one is working well for you, and then we pin as well. But based on the data on what kind of a people ads or headlines are getting more attraction, or people are noticing those, and then we create on it. So I hope this answers your question. Let's have a repeat. AdSense does really matters. It helps in increasing your CTR and quality score, thus eventually reducing CPC. Poor ad strength unfortunately increases the CPC, but pin headline doesn't necessarily increases CPC. If used correctly, it can help you in reducing your CPC and improving your conversion. So I hope this answers the question. But in case if you're looking for a professional help in auditing of your Google Ads account, or a professional help in optimizing your Google Ads campaign, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to help you to make you and create an awesome, amazing Google Ads campaign, which can generate amazing results with you. So I look forward working with you guys. And in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I quit a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And guys, in case if you still have any questions left regarding this Google Ads trend, you are the more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer those. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.